Hey, so I was going to go ahead and make this video for you about actionable content. As you can see, it's basically the same thing that I drew on my board, but I'm using Canva instead of Loom. So I decided, well, I'm going to go ahead and make the example on the recorder here. So when you're making actionable content, so let's say this person wants to learn how to create seeds with seeds, right? And they don't know how to do that. So you'll go down and when you're planning your content, you're like, okay, so this person needs to know that the seed needs to germinate and then they need to be planted into bigger planters. And then when the plant is big enough, then when they take the whatever the fruit or the vegetable out, then they take the seeds from that and then the cycle begins again, right? So you go ahead and you go into ChatGPT like we said, and we say, how do we break this into this many steps? And then you take those steps and then you create your content around it. So you're going to explain to them in the first set that they need to get the seeds, whether they get it from something and they dry them out, then they'll be planted in tiny planters and allow them to germinate and they're going to grow out. So that'll be one set of videos, right? And they can take action on that. They can let the seeds dry. They can germinate them in a little bit of dirt or with some paper towels that are wet. And then your other content, the content in the middle is going to be like, well, they're going to get from this stage. You move into a bigger planter, and then a bigger planter until they're large enough to be put into the ground. And then your last stage is like the grown plant and then how you take the seeds. And now this person's happy. So they have all the steps to follow in order for them to make seeds from seeds again, right? So make sure that when you're creating your content, it has a flow, it's actionable, and you plan in a layout where they're getting a result. Okay, I just wanted to share that. It's just a little short tidbit with a little example with some video on there, so you could see what's like a visual example of actionable content, right? So thank you.